Hello, ma'am. Good evening. My name is Rio Loizaga. I'm event management student from TESDA, and I just want to ask some questions regarding catering or managing an event. Would you mind introducing yourself first?
Hello, good evening. My name is Jeremiah Henny Blaso, and I have 6 years of experience working in the catering as an hospitality industry. Over the years, I've had the chance to work on a variety of events, from intimate, private gatherings to large-scale corporate functions and weddings, which was helped me to develop strong skills in menu planning, food presentation, and event coordination.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Let me just proceed to my question. Can you walk me through your experience in catering for events?
Okay, I have extensive experience catering for a variety of events, including corporate functions, weddings, private parties, and community gatherings. My experience over covers the full catering process from initial client consultation to post event breakdown.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. And my second question is, what types of cuisine are you most experienced in preparing for events?
For me, I love serving a Filipino cuisine in my catering events. Some of the popular Filipino dishes like adobo, sinigang, lechon, kare-kare, pansit, halo-halo.
Okay,
So,
thank you, ma'am. That's so delicious. Ayan, the next question that I have here is, how do you plan and customize menus to meet event attendees' dietary needs and preferences?
clear communication and proactive coordination are the key to ensuring a smooth catering experience. I usually start by establishing a single point of contact for each stakeholders, the event planner, client, and the venue manager.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Next question that I have here is, can you provide examples of large scales events you've catered in the past and the challenges you faced?
Okay, catering large scale events. I've worked on corporate galas, weddings with over 300 guests, and community festival hosting several hundreds attendees. Each type of event presented its own challenges, but I've learned to anticipate and manage them effectively.
Okay, perfect. And yeah, the next question is, how do you ensure food quality, presentation, and consistency when catering for events with large guests?
Okay. Ensuring food quality, presentation, and consistency for large events requires careful planning, standardized process, and effective team coordination. First, I focused on pre-event preparation using standardized recipes and portion guidelines, ensure that each dish tastes and looks the same. Whether serving 50 or 500 guests, I also source high quality fresh ingredients and schedule deliveries so that everything is ready at the right time. During food production, I assigned experienced team leads to different stations, appetizers, main courses, desserts, and conduct quality checks to each step. Temperature control and proper holding methods are the key to maintaining flavor and texture. For presentation, I provide plating, guides, or buffet layouts with photos and portion sizes so every dish looks uniform. Before service begin, I personally review sample plates to make sure they meet our standards. Finally, I emphasize clear communication with the service team to ensure timely delivery and replenishment. By combining preparation, team coordination, and continuous quality checks, I can consistently deliver high quality, visually appealing food even for a very large event.
Okay, thank you so much. The next question that I have here is, what strategies do you use to estimate quantities and plan for food preparation and service at events?
Um, Estimating quantities and planning for food preparation requires a combination of data, experience, and careful organization.
Okay, thank you so much. And that is the end of my questions. Thank you so much again and have a good day.
That's, thank you.
Okay, thank you so